on the date today. Today is the 25th of June. And today marks in 1975, 50 years ago, when the late Prime Minister Indira Gandhi imposed emergency in the country. The 50th anniversary of emergency that is being observed today, the BJP all set to mark it as a black day. The party that also plans to hold programs across the country to remind the people of the dark and the painful memories of that period. Now, let's get you a breaking update because according to sources, what we are told that the BJP is expected to honor all of the prisoners who were jailed under the stringent maintenance of the Internal Security Act during the emergency period. The party will also hold seminars. Its senior leaders as well as union ministers are expected to address press briefings and to refresh people's memories of the emergency era. BJP also seems to be organizing a big program at its Delhi headquarters at noon, wherein party chief JP Nadda will be addressing the event titled Dark Days of Democracy. Targeting Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party, the BJP has demanded an apology from the party for Indira Gandhi's actions back in 1975.
जो आज राहुल गांधी घूम घूम करके जो मोदी जी के बारे में जो बोलते हैं, सबसे पहले तो उनको श्रीमती गांधी जी की जो इमरजेंसी लागू किया था और उस समय जिस प्रकार से उन्होंने संविधान को कुचला है, तो उस पर उनको माफी मांगनी चाहिए थी। तो ये जो 25 जून की जो तिथि है वो काला दिवस के रूप में पूरा देश मनाता है।
Certainly it's a black mark in the annals of democracy of this country. It's a day where all the individual rights, civil rights, personal rights were totally crushed. Democracy was murdered, and the freedom to press was removed. They had really twisted, turned the constitution.
Well, let me go across to Akansha joining us this morning. Good morning to you, Akansha. Today being 25th of June, 50 years of emergency, the BJP, we are told, has planned several events today.
Well, absolutely. June 25th, that is today, marks 50 years of emergency. And remember, yesterday, Prime Minister, during his address to media, said that this is a big blot on democracy, and people, especially the young generation, should not forget this day. And to take this message across to people, BJP is going to observe today as a black day. They're going to do several press conferences and will be taking this message that emergency was is in fact a big blot on democracy to people all across the country. But remember, opposition had hit out at this comment of PM Modi, and yesterday said that there is still undeclared emergency that is going on, be it Operation Lotus or agency action on the opposition leaders. There is still undeclared emergency, but definitely as far as today is concerned, BJP is going to observe this as a black day.
All right.